Now, if you were with us at the start of the show, you'll have seen American artist Vince Jeunet preparing to turn trash into treasure with a junk sculpture, especially for our open house. And here he is down in our technical department, where it was like an Aladdin's cave. Goodness knows what that was he was picking up, but he seemed very happy with his finds, and he promised he would create us something, and here it is. So, Vince, it's in the case.
Yes, it is.
And you salvaged all this and created it in a very short time.
Yes.
I'm going to open it and have a look. Oh, my word. I'm going to turn it round. What is it?
Well, it's a functional AM/FM radio with a special lighting effect. And because we're in the studio, you won't be able to hear the radio.
Oh, we can hear a little bit. And we're
just a little bit.
The light's on. There we go.
There we go.
Oh, cool.
But all of it's made out of recycled materials that were found in the technical department. The case we found in the skip out back. Somebody had discarded it.
And if I was outside, I'd be able to tune into my favourite radio show?
Yes, you would.
That's amazing. What do you think?
Something off James Bond,
It is.
Unbelievable.
Now, you sell this as art, but it's useful too. So, what is it really art, or is it a functional thing? What use is it put to? People just look at it?
It's both.
It's both?
It's both. It's functional and it's art. It's
very
something for the executive who has everything.
And how do I switch it off?
Voila.
Isn't that fantastic? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I think you'll agree it's pretty special art. Vince Jeunet. Thank you very much, Vince. It's very good. Very good indeed. I'm going to shut the aerial and shut that. There we go.
Well, that's all we have time for this afternoon. Thanks to Vince and all the guests who've joined us today.
And I'll be in the house sitting with Angela Rippon on Monday when it's a case of the umpire comes back, as Dickie Bird makes a very welcome return to the house.
And we meet a woman who wants to be cryogenically frozen.
Yeah, it's pretty spooky stuff. So we'll see you then. That's all at 2:30 on Monday. Thanks very much for your company this afternoon, and thanks very much for joining me.
Thank you.
Okay.
What an honour.
We'll see you all very soon. Have a great weekend.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye just now.